In this video, I want to teach you how a one-line for loop can be used for the different purpose. A simple example, I want to create in the Python whatever values I'm going to give within the square bracket is called as list. Okay. And if I want to repeat this 0, 0 list for 4 times, just multiply by 4. You get, you not multiply 0, but repeat 4 times of 0.0. So what I'm having is list with the 4 elements of the value of 0.0. Suppose I want to repeat, I want to form here 4 plus 4 matrix with a 0 in each position. What I can do is I can write list, that is a for loop, one line for loop using this syntax. For the one line syntax, we have to first give the expression, then for variable in iterable. If I need, if you want to use the if condition, I can use the if condition. Here I'm not going to use any if condition. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is uh, within the list, I want to repeat this operation for n times. Again, I want to repeat it for the. I want to iterate it for the multiple times. For since I don't want to use the variable here, I want to repeat this operation. I want to repeat this row 4 times. Okay. For in range. How many times I want to repeat? N times. So I want to create. I want to create simplest example 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one I want to repeat here. Okay. So let me execute this code. Now I need to define what is the n value. So n, let me give n equal to 4. And let me remove the space here. Shift enter. Get 4 plus 4 matrix. It is also called as two-dimensional array. Okay. And next times I want to do some functional operation like sum. Okay. What is the logic behind it? Suppose I want to add 1 plus, let me add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. I want to do this operation by for loop. Shift enter, get 10. Now I want to write the number of code. Okay. Sum, that is a function. Which function I want to use? I want to use a sum function. Then expression I for I. In this case, I'm using I as a variable here in range of 3 because all these Python start from 0. If I'm going to give 3 here, it will start from 0, 1, 2. Okay. And let me check the value here. And 3. Let me give it as a 4, 6. Let me give it as a 5. So understand this logic. Let me check it here. So you can see I given 5 means the Python will take n minus 1. Okay, that is the logic behind that. It takes the simplest thing first 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and the result will start from 0 then up to n minus 1. So until we get 10 values. Suppose we want to do the operation. I want to square. Okay, I want to square the values and I have to sum them. Okay, so that is the expression. The syntax I have given is which expression I want to do here. So here square 2. We'll be into the calculation. 30 I'm getting. Let me check it manually also here. 0 power 2 plus 1 power 2 and 2 power 2, then 3 power 2, then 4 power 2. Like that, I can do the calculation. That is the without doing a lot of hard work, we can use the one line for loop to solve the problem. And sometimes we want to use if condition. Okay, if you want to include the if condition, they can include if uh, I I percentage 2. Okay, so I'm getting 10. Okay, so that will take only the I value. Yeah, here the modulator operator means whatever value, that is, if I'm going to divide 2 percentage 2, the modulator remaining is 0. Suppose I'm going to put here 3. 3. So 1. So remainder is 1. Suppose I'm going to give 5, give you 1. That is the remainder value is 1. Similarly, if I'm not given any condition that is equal to 0 or 1, it will take true or false condition. True means whenever I'm having 1, remainder is 1, it considers the true. Whenever is equal to 0, it is considered as a false. So we can understand the logic here. So first we'll start from 0. So 0 divided by 2, this is false. So it will take this one. Okay. And this will take this one. And then 1 divided by 2 is the remainder is 1. 2 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. So it is a false. And 3 divided by 2 is the remainder is 1. It is the true. And this will remove this. Okay. Then you can check the value and get same as fail. And if you give equal to 1, it will take only the those numbers which are add. If you're going to give 0, it will take only the even. That is the logic within that. That is the one line for loop. So this is how it can be used.